good manoeuvre.
In 200 meters, turn left. Turn left.
What the fuck? Come on! Fuck off! Blok anjing.
Really? Aren't you a stupid mole? Hey, you watch yourself. Fuck's sake.
Super cool action sequence from like Ask Hulu for $1 million. You know what I mean? Do you remember that sticking out?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that part. But it said Sydney at the top, and I was like, how did they know that we live in Sydney? Like, but it was a person.
Hey, that's a red light, dickhead.
Whoa,
Fucking hell. Jesus Christ.
Bravo! Well said.
No more drugs for that man.
What the hell are you doing?
More great reasons to say, I'd bank with research with foreign home loans or call your broker. Lending criteria fees and
Damn it, man.
Good morning, it's Zoe with you, and we're playing right now. Running up that hill. It's number one in the UK and the US.
It's me, man.
An extra $2.3 million, and it's taken long.
What is he doing?
35 years, in fact. Strange.
What the fuck?
Get it? Here it is, running up that hill.
I will definitely fuck you up.
Fucking idiots! What is that? What a mind pusher. What the hell are you doing?
The full 80 minutes, so well done.
At least they said sorry anyway.
Fuck this shit, I'm out.
Okay, so dormitory.
Whoa.
Did it get worse because of the COVID lockdowns?
Absolutely. Social isolation. Really deteriorates the mental health of children, increases anxiety, causes depression.
Here we go, well done. That's not a lane, dickhead.
Alright, thank you. Alright, thank you, Daryl. And yeah, I hear you, I do. Look, I said many times I wasn't the only person during the pandemic and all the lockdowns that this would cause long-term damage, that we were focused exclusively on just COVID and getting COVID numbers down. And what a farce that's turned out to be. I mean, we have more COVID numbers than we ever had in 2020 or 2021, but now we don't seem to care anymore. So we sacrificed 2 years of kids' education, especially in 2021, because in 2021 you could get vaccinated. I was vaccinated by early July from double vaccine, and yet we still had to go through lockdowns.
That's a big shame. Suck shit.
Daryl, thank you for the call. Daryl, thank you for the call at 6 to 6.
Traffic info is not smart until you download the 3AW app.
Hello, Dan, the Department of Transport, 12 to 4.
Oh, I smell something funny. Oh my God, it's the shitbag titty fuck of the week.
Dumbass! Fuck it.
That's a red light, bro. Fucking hell.
我操，挡警察闯红灯了，这逼怎么想的？竟然没看到啊！
Fucking dopey prick.
You're only one glasses a pair from dyslexia. You're only one Cleo mag from anorexia. You're only 5 yards from a fuck wheel. You're only 5 yards from a fuck lynch mob. You're only one acting role from a real job. You're only one strip of flesh from your bones. You're only one species away from Alan Jones. You're only one small speck in space. You're only one life soon erased. Be there none left on earth but you. One thing will still remain true. Look around.
You stupid old man. Fucking stupid old man.
Continue on Majors Road for 2 kilometres.
These fucking idiots. Wants to get killed.
That's awesome!
You did do the old Scotty thing.
Yeah. One for you, Scotty.
I love it. Yeah, that's killer.
Love the number plate. Fun VW1.
Parts of the world. But my dad's side of the family actually is still 100% Czech, and they moved here in, I believe it was the 1850s. And they were just